Creativity is not a one-size-fits-all approach. We often ask this question to ourselves: what are the skills I need to be creative? This is not the correct question. The right question is, where do I stand in my own creative journey? And what do I need to do to move forward? You see, creativity isn't a destination. It's a journey. And like any journey, it has different phases, paths, and steps along the way. In this video, we're going to explore a powerful way to understand your own creative journey through the lens of an amusement park. Yup, you heard it right, a park. Just like a park has different zones, rides, and experiences, your creativity also has different stages. From discovering your interests to finding out truly what sticks with you. This idea is called the Amusement Park Theory of creativity, and it can help you figure out where you are in your own creative path. So let's dive in. The mistake many of us make is thinking that being creative means fitting into a specific mold, like being a great painter, or someone who can think outside the box at every turn. But creativity doesn't work like that. Two psychologists, James Kaufman and John Baer, came up with this theory that compares creativity to a trip to an amusement park. There are 4 phases in this creative exploration: initial requirements, general thematic areas, domains, and micro-domains. Initial requirements consists of things you need to ensure prior to your trip to the amusement park, such as a ticket and availability of transportation. Similarly, in creativity, we need to have a certain level of intelligence, motivation, and a suitable environment. General thematic areas is when you have to make that tough decision of what kind of park to visit. A water park, a zoo, or a theme park. This is analogous to choosing your area where you wish to explore your creative skills, such as arts, business, or science. Next step is domains. Once you have decided what park to go to, you must then choose a specific park to visit. This is also true for creativity. If you have chosen arts as your area, you have a choice for music, painting, sculpting, and many more. Finally, we have microdomains. When you are at your favorite park, you clearly can't experience each and every ride during your stay, so you must choose which rides to have fun with. Creativity also starts to get more specific here. If your goal is to experiment with music, then you have an option to excel at a particular instrument or even a style. Let's say you want to be a jazz pianist. All along these 4 levels, we tend to get more specific and explore our niche in our creative journey. Now the question is, how can you use this model to better understand where you are on your creative path? Begin by identifying your general interests. Experiment in different areas as much as you can. If you are at the very beginning, then the broader, the better. Once you realize what you like, start exploring multiple domains within that area. Don't be afraid to take a plunge into something new, something that you haven't tried before. There is nothing to lose. This is where you'll start to find what really sticks with you. Be mindful and pay close attention to this domain. This is an opportunity for you to keep applying your creativity to your chosen area and continue to get better at it. Always remember to be patient and trust the creative process. This theory reminds us that creativity isn't a linear process. It's a fun playground full of choices and experiments. So we should always have a curious mind and enjoy this exploration of our creative journeys. So now I have a question for you. How would you create your own creative amusement park? What rides have you tried and which ones are calling you next?